Get ready, ElectroDrive news is live, and we're dropping the hottest tech and auto news. First up, Tesla is rolling out a revolutionary new maintenance policy that could change everything for EV owners. Then, we're diving deep into Tesla's US market share hitting an 8-year low. Is this the beginning of the end? Plus, a chart master reveals secrets to navigating Tesla gains, and we've got exclusive insights into the future of EV charging infrastructure. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Tesla's Fast Pass, a game changer for EV maintenance. EVs are known for their lower maintenance costs compared to traditional cars, but accessing specialized service has been a hurdle. Now, Tesla is introducing a policy designed to tackle this head-on. Dubbed Fast Pass, this new initiative, as reported by Not a Tesla app, allows Tesla owners to visit service centers for immediate attention without needing a prior appointment. This program is activated when technicians can't resolve an issue on the initial visit, providing a unique solution for intermittent problems. For instance, EVs, with their quiet operation due to the absence of combustion engines, can sometimes develop noises that disappear before a scheduled appointment. This often leaves owners frustrated, unable to get a diagnosis. The Fast Pass aims to solve this by enabling owners to return as soon as the issue reappears, allowing technicians to diagnose the problem in real time. This customer-centric approach not only benefits owners by ensuring their issues are addressed promptly, but also helps technicians in accurately pinpointing and fixing problems. Amidst reports of declining sales, this policy could boost owner loyalty and make pre-owned EVs more appealing, potentially revitalizing the used EV market. It's a significant step towards making EV ownership even more convenient and cost-effective, reinforcing the shift away from fossil fuel vehicles and promoting a cleaner future. The move is being hailed as a win-win, simplifying maintenance and supporting the broader transition to electric mobility. Many are wondering if this enhanced serviceability will further accelerate EV adoption. And that's just the start of our deep dive. Stay tuned, because next we're confronting the alarming news about Tesla's market performance. Tesla's US market share plummets to an 8-year low. Tesla's stock is facing significant pressure, with shares struggling to break key resistance levels. Adding to the concern are recent reports revealing a sharp decline in its US market share. According to Cox Automotive, Tesla's market share in the US fell to 38% in August, marking the first time it has dipped below 40% since 2017, an 8-year low. This comes at a critical time when competitors are launching new models, while Tesla's current lineup begins to show its age. Despite expectations of overall US EV sales growth, the expiration of federal tax credits at the end of the month could pose a further challenge. Tesla has already resorted to price cuts in China, and these domestic headwinds could continue to squeeze profit margins. The much-anticipated robotaxi launch has also underwhelmed, and with autonomous driving technology still facing regulatory hurdles, Tesla's once-unrivaled lead is diminishing. This slide in market share and stalled innovation is creating unease among investors, especially for a company still valued at nearly 200 times earnings. Technical analysis suggests a potential sell-off towards $320 or even $300 if current support levels fail. While some analysts at Morgan Stanley and Stifel Nicolaus maintain bullish ratings with high price targets, citing long-term potential in areas like robotics and energy storage, the near-term fundamentals are undeniably deteriorating, leaving investors cautious. The market is watching closely to see if Tesla can introduce a new catalyst to reverse this trend. But it's not all doom and gloom for every EV stock. Stick around as we uncover expert strategies for navigating Tesla's stock performance and uncover what chart masters are saying. Chartmaster explains, maximizing Tesla stock gains. Navigating the volatile world of stock markets can be daunting, but understanding key trends and expert analysis can unlock significant opportunities. For Tesla investors, discerning the right moves is crucial. This segment delves into the insights of a chartmaster, who provides a detailed breakdown of how to effectively manage and potentially capitalize on Tesla's stock performance. The expert shares strategies for identifying optimal entry and exit points, analyzing technical indicators, and understanding market sentiment surrounding TSLA. By dissecting price charts and historical data, viewers will gain a clearer perspective on the factors influencing Tesla's stock movements. This guidance is particularly relevant given the recent fluctuations in Tesla's market share and stock price, offering a practical approach for both seasoned investors and newcomers looking to make informed decisions. The advice focuses on interpreting chart patterns and market signals to make more strategic investment choices, aiming to mitigate risk and enhance potential returns in a dynamic sector. This expert analysis offers a crucial roadmap for investors seeking to make sense of Tesla's recent market challenges and opportunities. Now that we've covered the market dynamics and trading strategies, prepare for an exciting look at the future of charging. We're exploring groundbreaking innovations next. The future of EV charging, innovations on the horizon. As electric vehicles become more mainstream, the infrastructure supporting them, particularly charging, needs to keep pace. Exciting advancements are on the horizon that promise to make charging faster, more accessible, and more integrated into our daily lives. This update explores the cutting-edge developments in EV charging technology. We're looking at breakthroughs in ultra-fast charging that could drastically reduce charging times, potentially rivaling the time it takes to refuel a gasoline car. Beyond speed, there's a significant push towards wireless and inductive charging solutions, which could allow vehicles to charge simply by parking over a charging pad, eliminating the need for cables altogether. Furthermore, we're seeing the integration of charging infrastructure into public spaces and even roadways, creating opportunities for charge-as-you-go scenarios. Smart charging technologies are also evolving, enabling vehicles to optimize charging based on electricity prices and grid load, which benefits both consumers and the power grid. These innovations are crucial for overcoming range anxiety and making EV ownership even more convenient, paving the way for wider adoption and a more sustainable transportation ecosystem. These advancements signal a major leap forward in making electric mobility a seamless part of everyday life. And that brings us to the end of today's packed show. But before you go, we've got a super fast recap of everything we covered. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We saw Tesla's innovative Fast Pass service aiming to revolutionize EV maintenance. We dove into the concerning drop in Tesla's U.S. market share to an 8-year low. We got expert insights from a chart master on navigating Tesla's stock gains, and we explored the exciting future of EV charging infrastructure. If you found this update electrifying, smash that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your essential tech and auto updates, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a moment. Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content. See you next time.